What I've got in front of me here and on the floor is the flat pack swarm catcher. And what I'll do, I just put it together without screwing it, so you've got a rough idea on how it goes together. This is the base, and these are the two sides, and they go together like that and like that. Okay, and the sides, this is your air ventilation side, so that will go there like that. Some on the back here, and you have some pre-drilled holes along the side here, so you can screw this side in. I'll just get the other front in. The other front will go like that. So the air vent is on the top, and the entrance goes on the opposite side, which gives nice airflow, because the entrance is at the bottom, the airflow is on the top, so you have a nice airflow going through the swarm trap. Again, this has pre-drilled holes for you to drill it in. This goes on the back. I just push it together like that. Your frames sit on this lip here, and you can put whatever side frames you want in there, brood frames, old brood frames, these to go onto. We have the lid, so just get the lid to go on like that. Screw down there, screws along there, screws along there. The flat pack still come with pre-made screws, simple enough to do. And then on the back, you see there's 3 holes just here, and they are for the French cleat. French cleat's quite an easy way of putting the swarm trap up and taking it off without any hassle. So it works that it sits on the timber like that. So if you attach that to your tree or your building, this is attached to the back of the box, and it drops over like that. So it just sits in there, then you can just lift it up. So that would be attached there like that. So to screw this on here, you'll need to screw these from the inside out. So you'll be screwing through here into this section here. If you go through this way, and these aren't pre-drilled, there's a chance you'll split this wood. So you need to make sure you're coming through here into this one. Once that's attached to there, you attach that to your tree, and it just sits like that on your tree or your building or your shed. And take it away. And that's how you put a flat pack swarm hive trap together.